So my entryway has this really cute light up tree. It also has this really cute truck with a Christmas tree in the back. And then where I normally have my home sign, I have this countdown to Christmas where you can change the day as you get closer and closer and closer, which was a super cute find at Target Dollar Spot. In the kitchen, the only thing that's different are my tea towel, and then it comes with a set of an oven mitt and then a hot pad. I got these all from TJ Maxx. It was a Kate Spade set. I think it's super cute, still white and bright like the rest of my apartment, but ties in that holiday stuff. I think the houses are super cute. And then I also have my advent calendar, which I guess belongs in the kitchen when it's Christmassy. But we still do these. My mom still buys this for us. So we still open them every day. And then my little side table has this Merry Christmas Chicago sign, which is so freaking cute. I think that was for like $3 or $4 at TJ Maxx, and we were checking it out. I found it and I was like, wait, this is so cute. So I just have this sitting here by some coasters and a candle of mine. So my dining room area is a way different, I feel like, than the last time you guys saw it. So I moved the settee over here because I wanted the tree to go in the corner it was previously in. Moved this all around. The bar cart's now there. If you haven't seen me style the bar cart, watch that video. And then I have this new piece over here, which I put a garland over. And I also added this advent calendar with candles. Put a little wrap around that. It's not centered, I don't think. There we go. Perfect. This lamp is also not supposed to be over here full time. It's just moved over here because it's supposed to be in the corner where the tree is. But overall, I think this space is functioning quite nicely, and I think it looks super cute decorated. I just turned on Fireplace on Netflix for you so that the rest of my apartment looks a little more Christmassy than just a blank TV. Which if you have not been using this, literally just search Fireplace on Netflix. It's great. I got this new flocked garland from Target. It's pre-lit and it's actually battery powered, which is great. And I put an ornament on either side just to add a little something. That's the only real change over here. And then you walk over here, which is my tree. I think it is so freaking cute. I love the details. I got a new flock tree this year, and I just think the white is super pretty and it makes the space look bigger. And this tree is 7.5 feet, so I could have honestly gone taller, but I love how it turned out. There's all these fun ornaments on it. Another new thing I got is the Silent Night sign. It actually is from a vintage songbook and it's printed onto wood. It has all the sheet music. Little fun fact, and I just think it fits perfectly in the space that I normally have something else hanging. My mirror's here as well. And the only thing that's really different about my couch right now is I put this extra throw out. It is plaid, and I got it last year through some gifting. I forget who gave it to me, but I like it, and I think it's cute right over there. It has a little pop of color. And of course I have to have a Christmas candle burning. This one is Praline Pecan and Cream from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. I think it is cute on the outside too with the wrapping. It's mainly white but with some pops of red and green, which is what I tried to make my apartment be. I'm gonna sneak an M&M. Closer look at the bar cart. I do go into more detail in my bar cart styling video, obviously, but I really like how this is set up over here. You can just put all your toppings on together. Obviously, I have to use my Keurig. I did not relocate my Keurig to the bar cart for this hot cocoa station, but I think the idea still stands. Here's a full pano now that the fireplace is going strong. Oh, there's me. I look gross today. Sorry guys, I'm sick. Overall, I'm really pleased with how things turned out, and I think it's very cute, very festive, while still being functional. I put this blanket as kind of like a runner on my coffee table, which I think makes this whole scene look more Christmassy and cute. The couch looks the same, minus this setup, which I'm still about to style for an Instagram photo.